So ito yung total value of DPWH contracts secured by the company founded by Claudine Co's father. Grabe, ang laki. Hi, I'm Dwight De Leon, political reporter for Rappler. Recently, mainit ang ulo ng taong bayan sa influencer na si Claudine Co over her apparent lavish lifestyle in light of the fact that she's from a political family and also from a family of contractors. I'm not gonna comment on that, pero ilatag lang natin yung facts because I have done a number of investigative reports about the construction empire of the Cos of Bicol Region. Si Claudine kasi ay pamangkin ni ako Bicol Representative Zaldico, yung dating chairman ng House Appropriations Committee na siyang nagre-review ng national budget. Sobrang makapangyarihan ng komite na yan. Ang tatay ni Claudine ay si Christopher Quitoco, na dating congressman din for Ako Bicol. Christopher is a co-founder of both SunWest and Highton, yung dalawang kumpanyang kasama sa listahan ng Pangulo ng top 15 flood control contractors sa bansa. Yung SunWest, as we mentioned in our report back in March, is really a super contractor in Bicol region. Nasa 38 billion pesos ang na-corner nitong projects with DPWH since 2016. Christopher and Congressman Zaldi are no longer in the SEC papers for SunWest. Ibig sabihin, nag-divest na sila mula sa kumpanya. Si Zaldi, though, he continues to be part of that SunWest empire through affiliated companies. Budget experts we talked to believe he remains a beneficial owner of the company despite his divestment. Si Christopher, mas tied siya sa Highton. The Facebook page silently disappeared, but the account often referred to Christopher as their boss. Tingnan natin, ayan yung proof. Buti na lang na-archive pa ng Google bago nawala. But for the record, sa official SEC papers, wala na ang pangalan ni Christopher. Nag-divest na siya. We don't know when exactly dahil mahal bumili ng documents from SEC. But as of 2024, hindi na siya shareholder or key officer ng kumpanya. So, this is my spreadsheet. Yung pinakamadugo talaga sa proseso is scraping all the data from the DPWH website and cleaning the data para madali siyang ma-automate. May joke, di ba nga, na yung mga journalists, kaya sila nag-masscom, para maiwasan yung math. Pero essentially, this is also math. So, I'm showing you my process. As you can see, sobrang daming rows for Highton. Over 600 rows. That's in a span of 9 years. Puro mga flood control at road projects yan. I-pivot table na natin. Ayan, 44 billion pesos yung inaward na DPWH projects to Highton from 2016 to 2025. Sobrang laking tiwala ng DPWH sa Highton, no? As you can see, mas lumobo yung projects nila in years 2022 to 2024. Incidentally, those were the years na naging APRO chairman si Zaldico. Similar yung pattern sa SunWest, mas lumobo yung mga proyekto nila from 2022 onwards. It's all in the family yung dating kasi yung most frequent joint venture partners ng Highton ay una, SunWest, na itinayo nga ni Zaldico, at ikalawa, yung FS Co Builders and Supply na minsang pinamunuan ni Farid Ako, na isa pang kapatid at ngayon ay Vice Governor na ng Albay. Note din na in the last 9 years, may 9 joint venture deals ang Highton with Centerways Construction worth over 700 million pesos. Centerways is owned by Lawrence Lubiano, yung kapatid niya ay si Lemuel Lubiano, na according to reports ay ang boyfriend ni Claudine Co. So yeah, it seems like a small circle. Anyway, President Marcos has instructed the public to go to the Sumbong sa Pangulo website to report anomalies related to flood control projects. Kayo, lalo na sa mga taga Bicol region, kamusta ba yung mga proyekto ng Highton, ng SunWest, ng FS Co Builders and Supply dyan sa lugar ninyo? Pwede nyo kaming i-email sa investigative@rappler.com or pwede rin kayo mag-download ng Rappler Communities app. Itag nyo lang yung pangalan ko doon at mag-usap tayo doon.